Alright guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's YouTube video. And in today's YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you guys like 4 things you need to do in this period where we are on strike, and because most universities right now in Nigeria are on strike and some students don't know what to do with their time. Some of them waste their time while living their time doing some things that are not profitable. So I'm going to be showing you 4 things that you need to be doing right now and how to optimize this strike to be beneficial to you and to change your life. Because so now, without wasting much of my time, I'm going to be jumping in on the number 1 thing that you need to be doing. So before I jump into that, my name is Mark and I am an internet marketer. I make most of my money online, and what I do right here is that whenever I find something on YouTube, I come right here and I make cool videos for you guys, alright, showing you guys how to go about it, step-by-step tutorials. And today's video is not going to be about how to make money online, but it's going to be like a life-changing something, like a high-value knowledge that I'm going to be passing to you guys. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do as an undergraduate during this strike period is, number 1 is to take up a course or learn something new. Alright, so what I mean by taking up a course or and learning something new is like it could be a digital skill, it could be a handy skill. And what I mean by handy skill is something like learning how to bake a cake. There are people that are making cakes. They sell their cakes online, they market on social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, making cakes for their friends, and they get paid for doing something that they love to do, like learn how to bake, learn how to do different things. You can learn how to cook and you can sell these skills. Alright, so another thing you can learn how to do is also like being a fashion designer. You can learn how to sew clothes, tailor. You can learn how to make like clothes. And now that's just that for handy skills. There are a lot of handy skills, but I won't be mentioning them because I don't want this video to be too long. So now the most important thing that you should learn is digital skills. Like when it comes to digital skills, like there are some people that are kind of confused. They don't know what digital skills are all about, but digital skills are moving the market right now. Like these are things that are moving the market. If you don't have a digital skills, like you are already on the losing side right now in this our century. Right now you have to have a digital skill, because most things now are going online. And just leaving the handy skills aside, you have to have, even if you have a handy skill, you still need to have a digital skill. Now what I mean by digital skills, for people that don't know what digital skills are, there are so many digital skills, but I'm just going to be mentioning a few. And one thing that you should look at is web development. Web development is currently moving the market, like is very crazy out there. Web development, web design, programming languages is very important. Digital marketing, product design, graphic design, these are digital skills that you can get for yourself, and you can start learning all these things while you are doing this strike, instead of just whiling away your time on social media, watching movies. Things that you need to learn for yourself, for your future. Because after school, the question is, what next? What are you going to do? Are you just going to sit back, relax, and start looking for jobs and start submitting your CV? You need to have something doing already. So you can, it could be paid courses, it could be free courses. And now for paid courses, you can see them on Udemy, Coursera, LinkedIn, Skillshare, and there are so many places where you can learn skills. And also there are free sites where you can also learn some of all these skills that I mentioned, and I'm going to be dropping it at the end of this video. These are high value packs, courses that you can learn for free, so it's going to be at the end of this video. So make sure you watch every minute of this video, don't just skip a video. And if you are liking what you're getting already, you can hit the subscribe button, turn on notification, drop a comment, and smash that like button. Alright, so the number 2 thing that you need to learn is affiliate marketing. And I know most of you guys have already been hearing what affiliate marketing is. What is this affiliate marketing about? Like, I've been hearing this person, I'm an affiliate marketer, what are they affiliating? Like, what is it about? So I'm going to be explaining what affiliate marketing is. Alright, so now I'm going to make a simple illustration on what affiliate marketing is, and I hope you guys are going to understand it before I jump in depth on affiliate marketing. So now, take for example, we have big companies like Jumia, we have Konga, we have Amazon. These are guys that sell products, alright? They're not the ones that have this product. So what they do is that they go to these big markets where they have these things in bulk, and they come to their site and they place those things, they place their price, and when they sell, the people that have these products give them commissions, right? So you can see that affiliate marketing is not just a small game, it's a very big thing. And as individuals, you can also venture into affiliate marketing. And what I mean by venturing into affiliate marketing is like, now let me say person A has a product, he made a software that can design houses, and he does not know how to sell these softwares. Now you as person B, you know the people that need this software, you already know people that need this software, so you're just going to get in contact with person A and then tell him that, okay, I know I want to sell this your product for you, and what will I get in return? Person A will tell you that he's going to give you 40% of what he sells. Let me say it's $100, and then 40% means that he's going to give you $40 for every sale you make for that software. So he's going to be taking 60% and you taking 40%. So now your work as an affiliate marketer is to go and look for person B, the people that need this software, and then tell them that, okay, look, I have this software that I want to market to you. I know it's going to be beneficial to you. And then person B, you have already given them value. You have told them what this thing can do, how we can solve their problem, and then they know that they need this thing, they need it, and without it they can't do what they want to do. So they're going to tell you that, okay, they need this. And then when they sell it, when you sell it to them through person A, they are going to get the product. They are going to get the product and solve their problem. You are going to help them solve their problem and get your commission. Person A is going to get his product sold and he's going to get his money. That's just affiliate marketing and the simplest form. So it's just getting products and selling it to people that need them. You are not the one that have this product. You don't make this product. You don't manufacture things. You just sell. So now affiliate marketing, you just need to learn how to sell. That's just what affiliate marketing is. You need to learn how to sell. You need to learn strategies. There are so many strategies on how to sell with affiliate marketing. And now, as an individual affiliate marketer, there are some things that I will have to tell you that you have to do. Okay, there's some platform that you can register on. There's Digistore24, there's ClickBank, there's Warrior Plus, there's ASUU, and now most of these platforms, they don't take in Nigerians, because I know most of the people that are going to watching these videos are going to be Nigerians. So Digistore24 is mostly for people in the US, because you need a USC phone number to register on this site. ClickBank has been banning Nigerian affiliates and you can't access it. But Warrior Plus, I think Warrior Plus, you can still access it as a Nigerian, and also JVZoo, I think you can still access it as a Nigerian. So I'm going to be making consequent videos about affiliate marketing, explaining to you guys like individual, like I'm going to make a video on Digistore, make a video on ClickBank, make a video on Warrior Plus, make a video on JVZoo, and explain to you guys how you can go about this. All right, that's just it on affiliate marketing. As I'm like encouraging you guys to like venture into this affiliate marketing. It is very, very beneficial. Like it's something that can give you funds on a short period. You can grow from $0 to $100,000 like just in split second if you know the right things to do. All right, so in this my channel, I'm going to be explaining things that you can be doing as an affiliate marketer and start making money. There are so many tricks, how to promote your links, how to get leads, how to drive in traffic from Quora, Medium. There are so many sites where you can be driving traffic from. All right, so one thing about affiliate marketing, you need traffic to move. So the number 3 thing that you need to be doing during this strike period and how to be making money for yourself is paid surveys, online paid surveys. Like most question that people ask about online paid surveys is that, do they work? Do they pay? Like, do these things actually work? So what I'm going to be telling you guys here is that online paid surveys works. Like I've benefited from online paid surveys a lot. Like I have my platforms, I have so many platforms that I use for online paid surveys, and currently I still do them. Some have been blocked, some I'm still working on, like I'm still researching on them, and some are still currently going on. So I'm going to be listing out the top platforms where you can be getting where you can be taking online paid surveys and getting paid straight into your PayPal account. Number 1 thing that you need to know is that with online paid surveys, you need to have a PayPal account, and right there on the top of this video now, you're going to see a place where you can go and learn how to create a PayPal account. So many people have watched these videos and I've gotten testimonies about it. It's really working. It is how I'm using the PayPal account I'm using right now. That's how I made it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it on that video. So just click on the video. So going straight into online paid surveys. What is online paid survey? Online paid surveys is when big companies, they need information from people. They need information about how people react to their product, how they use their product. The people like this thing that we're making. They need answers from people. So they go and meet these survey platforms and tell them, okay, you have the people, I need the information. Okay, find me the people and I'm going to pay you for giving me this information. Now, what this survey platform they do is that they go to their members, give them surveys for certain amount of dollars, it could be euros, it could be pounds. So they tell you that, okay, do this survey, we are going to pay you. It could be £3, it could be $3, it could be four euros. So now they're going to tell you that, okay, fill out this survey form and you're going to get credited. It could be 10 minutes, it could be 15 minutes. So now what you have to do is just to fill out what they need, give them the information they need, and you're going to get paid for it. That's just online paid survey. There are so many scam surveys online. There are so many that you have to stop doing. Like, they don't pay. So like right now, I'm going to show you like 4 top sites where you can be taking online paid surveys. And number 1 paid surveys that I use and I have testimonies on is Populous Life Surveys. Populous Life Surveys is a UK based survey. They pay in pounds, and I'm going to be making more videos on Populous Life Surveys, explaining what this Populous Life Survey is and how you can start making money from it. All right, so next on the list is Zap Surveys. Zap Surveys is a US based survey. You can take you take surveys and get paid in dollars, and you can start making researches on Play Store. You can download the app there on Play Store, and you use a USA VPN, or you can just wait for me when I make the videos concerning these survey platforms. You can then start jumping on it. All right, so another one on the list is QMe. QMe is a US based survey. Also, you need a VPN also for QMe. And Testable Mind. Testable Mind is a UK based survey, and Testable Mind is kind of complicated because you need a UK phone number to go on Testable Mind, and there are lots of money you can make on these surveys. And another one on the list again is Prolific. You can actually make up to $100 from Prolific surveys if you are like really serious with it. So now, one thing about surveys, you need a PayPal account. You need to get conversant with the questions, like what are the kind of questions these surveys are, because most survey platforms, they have different types of questions, they have different patterns of asking questions, and also you have to know what they want. Because it could be a survey for people that are alcoholic, like people that take alcohol drinks, and maybe you don't take alcohol drinks. So if you say no, you are not going to get paid for that survey. So sometimes you have to kind of lie to get paid for these surveys. All right, so right here in Nigeria, there are some survey platforms that are actually coming up gradually. Before, there were no good paying Nigerian paid surveys, because most of them they were fake. Whenever you are done with the question, they don't pay you for the data they collect. They just scam you and they go away with your information. But in first world countries, they value information from people, right? But right in Nigeria, I think some surveys are already coming up. Surveys like MobiWork X, Tribar, Surveyflix, AfriSites, and these survey platforms, they pay in dollars. But the questions they ask are for Nigerians. When you see them, you will know that these are Nigerian surveys, because they ask about the states, they ask about the money you make in Naira, where you live, and also you should know that these are Nigerian paid surveys. So the whole subject for this point is just that get conversant with survey, learn about surveys, how to answer surveys, get used to these platforms, and start taking surveys right now. So number 4 on this list is investing in cryptocurrencies. Right now, cryptocurrencies are like the future of the world. Like right now, many people are venturing into cryptocurrencies, and you can see that the world is going to a place where a point will come where we don't deal with paper again. We are going to be making transactions with cryptocurrencies. So I don't know if they've lifted the ban in Nigeria, but you can invest in cryptocurrencies right here from Nigeria with the you can use apps like Binance, Trust Wallet. You can use KuCoin. I think there's a video there on how to get accounts with these platforms. And now, cryptocurrencies, you need money in order to invest in cryptocurrencies. Sometime last year, there was this particular coin that came out. It was in this Shiba Inu. This Shiba Inu made millionaires. If you don't know now, Shiba Inu made millionaires. If you invested $1 in Shiba Inu, then you'll be having at least $1 billion worth of that coin. And right now, that coin it shot up to about, I think, 0.00008. I think, and that coin with that $1, then if you had it at that point, you should be having close to 100 million naira. So you can see what cryptocurrencies can do. Cryptocurrency can make you shoot you from poor to rich, to filthy rich in seconds. Just a snap of a finger, you'll be rich with cryptocurrency. So you have to start making research, start knowing about what these cryptocurrencies are about, start making the right investments, start knowing the ones that are the scam investment, because there are lots of scam investments out there. You have to know the ones that are real, the ones that are legitimate, and start putting your money in it. Because without putting your money, also, okay, you can be looking at airdrops. Airdrops can give you free cryptocurrency, but right now airdrops are not currently working. Like, they have so many fake airdrops, from Telegram bots to sites where they claim to give you free airdrop for performing tasks. I don't think those are working right now. It was during the COVID period that most airdrop works, but now I don't think most airdrop are working. Just little of few that are working right now. So to avoid getting scammed, to avoid being a victim of scams online, airdrop scams. You just have to learn how to put in money and invest in the right cryptocurrencies, because already we know that there's fake cryptocurrencies that when you put in your money, they just tend to run away with the money. So you have to know the right platforms to invest your money. All right, you don't just have to jump in and put in money into anything you see online. You have to make research. You have to do your own research. All right, so these are things that you should start doing while you are having this free time of ASUU. Instead of watching movies and playing games, watching movies, following series, doing irrelevant things with your time, you have to start picking up things. Like, you have to start taking responsibilities, because after school the question is what next. What next is a question that they're going to start asking you. You don't jump into NYSC and then you start receiving the Alawi funds and all. So you have to take these things, or these 4 things that are listed out here, you have to take them up. You have to take them up. Like, number 1 that I said was taking up a course, learning something new. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Number 3 is online paid surveys. Number 4 is investing in cryptocurrency. So these are the 4 things that you need to start doing. There are a lot of other things you can still do, but these are the 4 things that I will advise you start doing with your time while you are on this break, or you are trying to get yourself. So you have to change your mindset, change your mentality, start taking up things instead of wasting your time and waiting for a big amount of money to invest in something. Start with the little you have, get on something, kill procrastination, and you get yourself to where you want yourself to be. So that's just it for today's video, guys. So if you like this video, hit on the subscribe button, smash me a like, drop a comment below, and make sure to share this video with your friends. All right, turn on notification, because why you need to turn on notification, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop hot videos like this that are going to be beneficial to you, and you're going to be the first to get them and start implementing them. All right, so that was it for today's video, guys. So for the freebie, as I promised, and also for the free courses, so the first thing what you are going to do is to head over to a site called allison.com. You are going to see a lot of freebies there, like free courses that you can take up, and you can start getting this. The number 1 thing that is taking up, because you can start getting it done already. So there are a lot of courses you can see there. Start using the ones that you see there and start like getting used to them. And also, I'm going to be dropping a list right here. This list is going to contain like where you can get free Udemy courses, and you can start getting yourself something doing. All right, so that's just it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you guys for subscribing. So share this video with your friends and families, and we're going to see you in the next video, guys. See you.